In this video, we're going to talk about the exclusive bonuses that you get if you pick up Profit Trigger AI through the link down in the description. Now, I realized I'd already made like 3 or 4 videos about this product because I really do love it, but I had only referenced the bonuses and hadn't actually gone in depth. In fact, I had only really shared that I would be given this bonus, so I went ahead and built out the rest of the bonus pack so you can see everything you're going to get when you decide to pick up through that link down in the description. All you're going to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com when you purchase so I can get all of these sent to you. So really excited about this if you haven't already watched the other videos where I've talked about this. One of my best videos in the last couple of weeks actually has done close to 5,000 views already. How I used a QR code on Facebook and made $2,500 literally in the first 24 hours of using this method, which I would definitely not say is typical, but it was wild to see how fast you can get results like that. This was just kind of an honest review of the program as a whole. And then there was a third one right here, turning images into commission. So I really do like this. I don't typically do that many videos. I usually do 1 to 2 videos about a product. So you can tell that I like this one. So really quickly, let's just talk about if you decide to purchase through the link. It's an affiliate link, which means you don't pay anything more. I just get a commission from Luther himself, the guy who created the product. And so it doesn't do anything like negative for you. It doesn't cost you anymore, but I get a commission, and that allows me to create these free bonuses for you to incentivize you to buy through my link instead of just going and buying directly. And then you just don't get the bonuses, but you pay the same thing, right? So here are the bonuses, and I think they're going to be an absolute no-brainer for you. Again, watch the other ones to talk more about the actual program itself because I went in depth in those videos. And actually, this video right here, this main video that's done so well, that's where I actually decided to give this as a bonus. Viral marketing threads actually allows you to create these threads. Like you just put in what your business is, who your target audience is, like you enter in 3 or 4 things, and they spit out these Facebook threads that are doing crazy traffic right now. Like it's not even my main thing. Obviously YouTube's my main thing. I have 2 channels that I post on literally every day. So it's like not even a main focus of mine, and it's already done like 30,000 views this month and made a handful of sales. So it's really cool how much traffic is being generated on Facebook right now. And this is going to literally do it for you. I mean, I make these things less than a minute. I mean, you click like give me hook options. It gives you, we pick which one you want, and it gives you the entire thread. So this is driving so much unbelievable traffic right now. Do like 5 to 10 a day, every day for 30 days. And it's very difficult to not do like 6 figures worth of views, which, and if you do that many views, you're going to get sales as well. So can't recommend this enough. This thing is crushing. So previously we were mainly doing text threads, but what we've started implementing with Profit Trigger AI is actually utilizing these QR codes and the strategies taught within Profit Trigger AI to get an image into groups that typically wouldn't let you put a link there. And then if they scan the QR code, now we're getting sales, and we're using like AI memes and stuff like that to drive traffic. It's been really, really good. So you'll get that one completely for free if you use the link in the description. Second is hidden traffic formula. So Luther goes over some traffic methods, but we want to make sure we get you access to even more. There are so many unique ways. There's one, I'll actually give you one that you probably haven't thought of, and we've actually been utilizing. I think it is, I actually went out and bought rights to this so I could give this away because it's one of my top courses that I enjoy going through and I got a lot of value of. I think in this one they cover a little bit about slide decks, and that's one that we've used, like SlideShare.net, where you can create slides and put your QR code on every slide, rank for a keyword, and drive traffic that way. Again, great ways to drive traffic that people just don't think of. Highly recommend. Again, using the link down in the description. That course alone, I believe, sold for over $500. So it's always fun what you get to do with bonuses. It's worth literally more than you would pay to get Profit Trigger AI, and I am able to give it to you for free because I purchased rights to be able to do that and just be able to serve you in that way. My list of best affiliate programs, so as you're looking for the things you want to promote, I'm going to give you my highest recommendations. And then the affiliate marketing school, if you're not already familiar with how affiliate marketing works and really the tips and tricks of the trade. That was unnecessarily a tongue twister, but that's going to make sure you fully understand how affiliate marketing works so you can be making the absolute most money possible with Profit Trigger AI. So use the link down in the description, complete the purchase, email me right here info@jakethornhill.com, and then I will send you these bonuses over completely for free as a thank you for using my link. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to follow, dropping content all the time on this channel, literally posting every single day on this channel and my main channel. There's also down in the description a free training to get to consistent 10K months in your online business. I would love to help you do just that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. See you later.